Okay, so welcome everybody back. I'm on my boat. Oh, sun just rised. Amazing timing. Let's hit north. Beautiful. North. Hmm. Very. Wow. Why is there two towers suddenly? Wow. What's there? What's there in the distance? Oh, it's so interesting. Oh my god. It's a freaking dungeon. Yeah, so basically enough of that very fancy start. Well, let's hit in. I basically put some loot in here. A little too much. Well, remember, we have not ruined it yet. So maybe I will add some holes and delete some of those armor stand. But basically the loot here is very simple. Yeah, bow and arrow, shields, 2 night vision potions, zombies, okay. More shield, I give 1 extra trident. And a totem of undying. That should be good. Wait, I think I leave a book here. Where's the book? There is the book. Loyalty 1. Oh yeah. So we can enchant our trident with loyalty 1. One of them. But we don't have enough iron yet. Right, iron. Give me 2 blocks. So basically, right here, there is a freaking hole that no one will know of. But let me effect clear me. Okay, so basically this is dark as hell, and then there's light. Okay, so when you enter, it's dark as hell. We fight. This random hole here have light. I hope Aaron doesn't notice this, but yeah, it have light. Okay, so basically the light here leads to this fancy opening, which is, I make it seems like the wood, the stone in the mountain is like creeping in, trying to crash this particular room with a treasure chest in there, and I forgotten to put iron, not too much, and give myself a command block. And wait a second. Where is it? Beautifully done. Back here. Paste. Maybe a button of some sort. Give me that thing. Remove the button. There. Trident of Poseidon. Sharpness 8, knockback 5, looting 5, riptide 10, impaling 10. The trident has the power of Poseidon. Wielding this trident will give you godly powers. When in main hand, the attack speed is the same as a normal trident, 1.1. The base is just 4 minus 2.9. So 4 minus 2.9 is 1.1. Yes. And the attack damage is 8. Basically, the attack damage is the same as the normal trident, 9. Because it's plus 8 means plus your fist damage. Your fist damage is 1. 1 plus 8, 9. It plus 10 armor from 0 plus 10. So it's 10 additional armor. So it will be 5 bars of armor. When offhand, it also gives you the armor. But nothing else. You can't attack when offhand, but you can throw. enough hand, and this damn thing is powerful. Wait, where did I travel to? Not far. Type 10 doesn't do much, or it does do much when you fly up in the air. But it does not travel far in water. Okay, so let's put this fancy unbreakable trident in here, and Aaron will not know it. And for me, I will definitely not spoil anything. Okay, let me just break the roof a little. Forgot to do the roof, of course. Put this fancy trident in the middle. You know what? I'm just gonna loot this chest. I'm just gonna take the trident out, and I'm just saying, I found this special thing, and maybe I will put one golden apple in the middle or something. Something along those lines to hide it. And maybe I'll shift this up and put a golden apple down there. Why not? Right. So this fancy trident go in there. Trident of Poseidon is in there. Let's close this up. Okay, so yeah, the trident is in there now. Okay, the roof is the most crashed right here. Like the damn roof is like demolished by the damn thing. Okay, good. Good. Okay, that's good enough. Maybe one more. Okay. Now we're out. That's 7 minutes already. Okay, so the loot is very simple. Maybe I will make this like ruined. Oh yeah. The ruins. Whoa, that's a damn dolphin. I thought it's a human. And I said, what? I didn't invite any other players here. So basically, ruins. I shove this off, make it a little ruin, and then I drop some like more realistic. Maybe this must be like a little bit more broken down. Yes, that's what I'm thinking of. Okay, let me build the last tower real quick here. It's over here. 5 up. This is 4 up because there's 1 down, so 5. That's 5 of that thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of this thing. Right, I'm basically making a building tutorial here, right? Is it? No. Maybe I will release this survival series maybe when MC Edit is updated to 1.13 things. I just copy and paste this dungeon and maybe make a real CTM out of our survival series. That would be so fun. Like in order to get some clues on secrets or different dungeons, you need to watch our survival series to know it. That would be interesting. Or maybe I would just, put into a damn new world. A very new world, so no one can just cheat and know every single area. Maybe they rush and then rush this area and then find the Poseidon trident and it's too OP or something. But actually it's not. It is OP, but it's not too OP. The other OP trident is the loyal one. I keep saying the loyal one because it's the loyal one. The Cosmos one. Trident of the Cosmos, the loyal one. Maybe I will put the unloyal one here. I'm gonna put it somewhere, hide it in another dungeon, which is a little harder because that trident is really OP. Loyal or unloyal, it's still OP. So yeah, but it will be interesting. Maybe I can lose the OP trident because it's not loyal to me. There's no loyalty into it. Yeah. So basically, this is 333. So this is 9 tall, and it pops up the surface again. There, I make it run down wind like the first one. Wreck it a little. Yes. Just wreck. ruined before the episode ends or something. Yep. Basically, it's like barely standing. Yeah, it'll be fun, interesting. Okay, I think I will make this more ruined off camera. I'm gonna make this. Okay, I basically search out conduits and I'm trying to make it that there is 4 conduits here and it's all ruined. So I forgotten this part here. Conduits have this sort of thing on them. Totally forgot about them. Okay, drones are spawning because it's nighttime. Okay, so here is the conduits. I don't put the conduits in. The conduits is basically obtained by, you know, crafting it with the heart of the sea. So I'm gonna make this like ruined, breaking it. Oh, sweetness, it's broken. There's no working conduits here. That would be too OP. Maybe one of them is like demolished completely. The other is like, oh, okay. Yeah, something like that. There's one perfect one. Maybe not. Not so perfect after all. Okay. Something like that along those lines. Okay, so yeah. Barely holding on to things. That is too like, oh, right there. No, too there. Okay, something like that. Maybe I will just take out some armor stands. I'm here. I will put the spawners in off camera. So where should this armor stands are too OP? Here and here. So it's something like that only. This one is gone. Boom, a hole there. There's a hole. Yes. Hole. And maybe some of this is broken. There's a giant hole right here. That kind of open up to the opening. Yeah, you can see why I put a hole here. I think I'm gonna put some spawners down below. Drowned spawners, so they will assault us when we are looting this or something. Something like that. Make it dark enough so the drowns can actually spawn. Okay, and give me the water bucket. I want to fix this air bubbles. Air bubbles aren't allowed. Okay, so basically like that. Something like that. Ruined. Hole. Yes, there's a hole there. Maybe make it more ruined or something. Yeah. Something like that happening. So I will do it to the rest of the ruins, and maybe the next episode we'll see the final thing. Like the broken down effect of it. I keep doing the corners. Maybe I should do the thing to make it more random. Yep. Every single corner is hit or something. Oops. That should not be broken. Okay, so yeah. I think I'm ending this episode here or something already. Along these lines. Okay, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video where I and Aaron will join back. Yes, and we will have some fun together. And I'm gonna just cheat my way and obtain that beautiful trident right there. Maybe I will just hide it and not use it and surprise him somehow. Okay, so Ending it here. Bye.